Hello everybody, this video is about comparatives and superlatives. In the video, I'm going to explain important points about them. However, because you have studied them before, the video is just a revision of what has already been covered in class. Throughout the video, you are first going to see a short summary of comparatives and superlatives. Then you're going to do some practice. And finally, I'm going to give suggestions for further study and practice. As you can see on this slide, comparatives are used to compare two things or people. Superlatives are used to compare more than two things or people. This slide highlights comparatives used in the statements provided. Please take a while to look at them. This slide shows superlatives used in statements given. Please take a while to look at them too. The table on this slide summarizes the changes with one-syllable adjectives and adjectives ending in Y. For adjectives ending in Y, Y is dropped. Then I is added before ER and ist. For big, an adjective with a consonant, vowel, and a consonant, the last letter is doubled. For those adjectives ending in E, only R or ST are added. This slide shows two-syllable or longer adjectives and irregular adjectives in comparative and superlative forms. It is also possible to use quantifiers with comparatives. As you can see on the slide, it is enough to use a lot, much, and far just before the comparative forms of adjectives to talk about big differences. To talk about small differences, a little bit, and slightly need to be used. This slide shows some common expressions with superlatives. Here, I'd like to remind you that you can find them listed in the language bank on page 136 in Speak Out Intermediate Student Book as well. When you look at the statements with by far, you should understand that there are no other buildings as tall as Burj Khalifa in the world. Also, there are no other inventions in history as important as the script. Ferrari 458 is one of the fastest cars on the roads means there are many other fast cars and Ferrari is only one of them. Likewise, there were many popular bands in 1980s and Metallica was only one of them, as the next statement suggests. The statement about Mike tells us that he had got a lower score from another quiz before. The statement about the airplanes tells us that there are two other airplanes more advanced than X. Now, time for practice. Please pause the video here and take 3 minutes to do this exercise. Here are the answers. I believe you have all done a good job with that. For the second exercise, you need 5 minutes. Please pause the video again and try to do it. Here is the answer key for practice 2. If you need the reasons for the answers to be explained further, you can rewind the video and check the grammar summary once more. Finally, here are 4 suggestions for further study and practice. The first one is in your packs. The second one is on My English Lab. And The last two are on YouTube, provided by BBC Learning English channel, and I can assure you that they are real fun. Okay, that's it from me for now. See you next time. Bye.